3, 2, 1. Dream kitchen in my backyard. Yes, Weatherstrong made it happen for me. So it was such an easy process. I went online, I put in the measurements that specifically fit my space. I got to select the components I like. There's amazing things like full cabinets with roll out drawers, roll out cabinets, or ways to organize things, outdoor rated appliances, different styles, different colors to choose from to make sure it all blends into what you're looking for in your backyard experience. In 7 to 10 days, it was shipped out to me. There's skilled designers on hand to help you out with whatever you need. Pretty easy to install. I also had a cabinet made for right by my pool for pool towels and equipment. It looks really good. It blends right there into the wall. The countertops look amazing. Weatherstrong made it so